My name's Tony Pollock. I've been a full-time trader since 2019, and trading has turned me into a millionaire. But my journey was not easy. When I was first learning how to trade, I lost everything multiple times. So in today's video, I want to share with you 3 things that completely changed my trading around and allowed me to have the life of my dreams. The first thing that I want to share with you that completely changed my trading was to learn how to learn. What the heck does that mean? Everyone is under the impression that trading is like a mind game. It's just, you've got to be so smart in order to trade. It's all about intelligence. When in reality, trading is simply just a skill. That's all trading is. And so if you can learn this skill, you'll be able to trade successfully. The problem is that we all struggle to learn because we all have egos. When a brand new baby is learning how to walk, they fall down every 3 seconds and they just stand back up. And they fall down and they stand back up. And they fall down and they stand back up. And they just keep going. There is no ego. They are determined to learn how to walk. They don't sit there after the 14th time that they've fallen and go, well, everyone's just laughing at me. I guess I'm not going to be able to do this. I'll just sit down and crawl for the rest of my life, I guess. No, they keep going. But what happens the older that we get in life? We start worrying about what other people think of us and about our own perception and ego. We struggle to learn new skills because we all have egos. We all struggle with pride. We all struggle with what people think about us and what we think about ourselves. After we've fallen down for the 25th time, we start to hear people laughing in the background. We start getting down on ourselves and we stop getting back up. The most important thing that I did when learning how to trade was to always stand back up. Ignore the noise inside my brain and just keep standing back up. This was easier said than done. I was a truck driver for over 10 years. And I just felt like there was something more important in my life. Like I was sick and tired of spending my entire life trying to make a little bit of money and be away from the people that I loved the most. Trading was the answer. I could go anywhere in the world. I could make as much money as I want. I could have the free time to do whatever I wanted to do and to be with the people that I loved. There was just something deep inside me that just felt like God was pulling me to this profession. And so my wife and I made a decision to go ahead and quit our jobs, move across the country, and start trading full time. And so we had about $30,000 in our trading account after selling our house. And we're like, hey, God's telling us to do this. We are going to be millionaires tomorrow. This is going to be the greatest thing ever. And within the first month, I had lost the entire trading account. And so then we took out money out of savings. We put that into the trading account and that was gone within a matter of weeks. So now we have nothing. We bought a house already in Utah. We have a mortgage due. We have car payments due. We have everything that a normal person would have in their life due. And we are flat broke in a matter of 6 or 7 weeks. But then I go out and I cash out some credit cards. And that money was gone. And so now not only do we have nothing, but we're negative. We are deep in debt and I've got my mortgage due. And I remember thinking like, this is it. There is nothing left. And this voice inside my head would keep telling me, stand up and go find a way. And I was like, how? There's nothing left. There's nothing left to do. And that voice just kept hitting me, stand up and go find a way. And I stood up and I swear within 30 minutes, I had an idea of how to get more money and how to keep trading. I'd go to a different bank. I'd get access to a few more credit cards. I'd cash those out. I'd pay our bills and I'd take the leftover and try to trade with it. It was extremely hard. I want to tell you that it was just this perfect rising road from there, but it wasn't. I continued to make mistakes, but I am here right now because I kept standing back up. Could have laid down and stayed down for 1,000 reasons. My ego is shattered. Everyone I knew told me that I would lose everything trading the stock market, and I did. I had nothing left. I had to go turn to my wife and say, I know you trust me with this, and I just destroyed it. My ego was just in the dumps, and I had no reason to stand back up, except for that voice inside me saying, keep going. And I stood back up. And the weird thing was, you would think that I would have less confidence after blowing up all these trading accounts, but I had more confidence in my ability to make this happen, in my confidence that I would succeed because I learned something through blowing up each and every trading account. I made mistakes and I was like, okay, I know what not to do now. And I want to take that information that I didn't have before, give me some more money. I'm going to make money this time. Because now I know this piece of information that I didn't know previously. And I was more confident going into it. I would stand back up and I would keep going. If you want to be successful in learning this skill, you've got to learn how to learn. You've got to learn to stand back up and to stop judging yourself based on your results, but just to keep going. just like a toddler learning how to walk. They fall down, they stand back up, they fall down, they stand back up, and eventually they start stringing a couple steps together. That's how you learn. The second thing I want to share with you that completely changed around my trading was to master one strategy. I was on my last set of credit cards that I cashed out. The bank's like, Tony, I don't know what you're doing, man, but go get a job. This was all I was going to get. And so I remember sitting down on a Friday night on my desk and started writing out my problems. What are the issues that I have? I'm not seeing consistent enough income. I am not getting enough results. I am not paying my bills. I need to be able to leverage this small amount of money and make a lot with it. And instead of viewing those problems as obstacles, I viewed them as opportunities for me to find a solution. Every problem has a solution. And I swear God's hand was helping me along the way, because I sat down and created a strategy that I was like, this could work. I spent the entire weekend back trading it. Every waking moment, tested that strategy to see if it would work. And then Sunday night, after thousands of back tests, the strategy worked and was extremely profitable. So come Monday, I started implementing that strategy. And by the way, I give away that strategy completely for free. The link is down below in the description. This strategy utilized credit spreads. Now, I'm not saying credit spreads is the end all be all and it's your answer. What I am saying is find out one thing that fits your lifestyle, fits your time, and is something that you are able to accept the consequences of. Every strategy has a pro and a con. There isn't one golden nugget out there. And so if you can accept the downsides of the strategies and understand the intimate ways of how it works, good and bad, what to look for, what to do, and what are the key things that you must follow with each strategy, you will be successful with that strategy. And that's all I did. I developed a strategy with credit spreads that allowed me to have a 90% win rate because I needed consistency. I developed a strategy that allowed me to leverage a very small trading account and make thousands of dollars each week. It was a perfect strategy for what my needs were. That strategy is still my go-to to this day and continues to pay my bills as a full-time trader. And not just mine, but thousands of people have enjoyed the financial freedom that has come from this strategy. So again, check out that link below, join them. It's completely for free. I hope this changes your life. So that first week of trading that strategy, we finally made a couple $1,000s and I could finally start paying some bills. And that process started to repeat for weeks and weeks. At the exact same time that I started trading this strategy, I learned the third and final piece that I want to share with you right now. And that is, scared money never makes money. I learned this third piece because of my beautiful wife. And by the way, today she can buy whatever she wants because her and I went through so much. She went through so much. She had so much patience with me on this journey that she can enjoy the riches of our rewards as much as she wants. But how I learned this last rule from my wife was these people knocked on our door one day and they were asking for food donations, canned food drive donations. And my wife went into our pantry and she grabbed all of our canned food. Now, granted, we were barely making our bills, but we had so much debt, like we were broke. I remember walking out and being so mad at her and being like, we are the ones that those donations are gonna come back to. Like, we are living on nothing. We have like $30 a week in grocery budget. Like, what are you doing donating our canned food? Like, we need that. And she said something that completely changed my life. Right then and there after I said that, she said, I'm tired of living like tomorrow's not going to be any better than today. And it just hit me like a ton of bricks. That's exactly how I was trading. That's exactly how I was living my life. I was living my life with so much fear. I was squeezing onto everything that I had. I was hoping and praying that every single trade would work. I was so fearful that I was going to lose on this trade or that trade and I wouldn't be able to pay my bills. In that moment, I decided that I would no longer trade scared, that I would believe that my tomorrow is going to be better than today, no matter what happens today. I finally started seeing things through a lens of hope instead of fear. And that approach took all the emotions out of my trading. It lessened them down. I wasn't worried if this one trade was going to work because this one trade didn't matter. The only thing that mattered was when I was right, I won big, and when I was wrong, I lost small. Rinse and repeat over 100 trades and you will make millions. That's all that matters in trading. My friends, if you are on this journey learning how to trade, I hope that you keep standing back up. Keep going. Everyone around you is going to tell you that you're a fool and that you're just going to lose everything. Learning how to trade was the greatest thing that ever happened to me, not because it's given me financial freedom now, but because of the person that it's turned me into. I discovered who I was through those low points. I learned that I'm resilient. I learned that I can do hard things, and I learned that the worst case scenario, hitting rock bottom, Your life is not over with. In fact, it's just beginning. If you are on this journey of learning how to trade, come check us out at reallifetrading.com. Links are down below in the description. We have tons of free online courses to teach you everything that you need to know to be successful and profitable in trading. I'm on a mission to change the middle class. I know that if you had the skills to bring in side income through trading, it would completely take off the pressure of your job. It would take off the pressure of all your extra bills, the expenses of living right now, and all the debt that people are struggling and drowning in. That is why we give out all the foundational pieces of trading completely for free over at reallifetrading.com. Help us to get to 100,000 subscribers here on YouTube. We are so close to it. So if you don't mind hitting that subscribe button, share this message with someone else that you think would be interested in learning how to trade, or maybe is trying to learn how to trade but is struggling. Come check us out at Real Life Trading and let us help you get the results that you are after. Keep standing back up, because if this truck driver from Arizona can do it, so can you. I am here to help you. I'm your biggest fan. I'm rooting you on.